Hello everyone, Keycaps over here. Today I'll be kicking off a 7-part series of videos on some common Frankenswitched linears. Our switch roster consists of Gateron Inks, Gateron Milky Yellows, Cherry Amex Blacks, Alpacas, and NK Creams. In each video I'll use one switch as a base, then swapping parts one at a time with the other 4, see how that affects sound and feel. For Chapter 6, I'll be compiling all the unwiped sound comparisons from the other 5 videos. And for Chapter 7, I'll be looking at comments from all of the videos and making Frankenswitches using 3 different switches. So make sure to comment what switches you liked from each video and what switches you'd like to see for Chapter 7. Chapter 1 will be on Gateron Inks. I have 2 diagrams here, and I'll use these to demonstrate the Frankenswitch process. The first sound recordings will be stock inks and lubed inks. Then, with the ink housing, I'll be swapping stems from the other 4 switches. And last, I'll be swapping both tap housings and stems from the other 4. I'll also be recording unwiped stem swaps as well. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm still pretty new, so if you like the content and want more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment on which combinations you like the most, and what 3 switch combinations you'd like to see for Chapter 7.